Hi everyone, today my recipe summer special and a holiday special burger, veg burger. Take 400 grams of potato, wash and cut into big pieces. Then transfer to cooker. Pour some water. Then cook until soft. As well as take 100 grams of fresh green peas. Wash them. Then add some water. Then cook it. Once the potato cooked, strain it. Then cool down. Once it's cooled down, peel it. Now fresh peas also cooked well. Take a mixie jar, add some mint leaves, coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon black salt and 1 teaspoon amchur powder and half teaspoon turmeric powder and ginger, garlic. Add half of the lemon and 1 teaspoon oil. Add required salt. Then add 3 to 4 tablespoons of water. Then grind until soft. Take a kadai, add 3 tablespoons of oil. Then add ground masala. Do not add the water in this stage. Stir continuously on low flame until raw smell goes away. When oil separates, it will turn to thickens the masala. In this stage, add cooked fresh green peas. Stir 1 or 2 minutes, then mash well with a potato masher. Mash well all the green peas. Now add peeled boiled potato. Now mix well. Mash the potato well with a masher. We won't add any masalas or any chili powder in this stage. Then mix it. At the end, add 1 tablespoon of rice flour. Then mix well. It will absorb the entire moisture and it will turn to crispy our patty. Now transfer to a plate, then cool down completely. Then transfer to a steel box or any plastic box. Then keep it in refrigerator for 1 hour. After 1 hour, take 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and a half teaspoon of salt. Add required water, then mix well. This maida all-purpose flour batter will be ready. Keep aside. Already breadcrumbs is ready. Take required quantity of the potato mixture. Then take 4 equal parts. I am using here 4 burgers. For this purpose, I took required quantity of potato mixture. Then prepare the patties for burger. Thick patties. Check the size. This burger buns already I uploaded the video. I will give the description box the link. Please notify that. Then dip it in maida batter. Then put it in breadcrumbs. I am going to shallow fry these patties. I don't like deep fry. Oil will spoil if you are using more oil. Then I will use only shallow fry. The 3/4 of the oil only I am using here. 3/4 patty is dipped here. Then again one more I will show you. This is the thickness. Leftover potato curry I will use some other time. I will keep it in refrigerator. Whenever my children ask, then I will prepare the tikka or patty. I will do sometime later. After 3 to 4 minutes, turn it. Do not put the high flame, low to medium flame only. We should cook them. Now, crispy patties ready. Tomato sauce also ready. Take hungura half cup. Add a half teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of white pepper powder. That skip it. That video skipped the pepper video. Please notify it. Then salad. I am using here iceberg. Then already I prepared buns. These are homemade buns. Cut them equal size in between. Take a top part of the bun. Then apply hanker mayonnaise. Do not use mayonnaise nowadays. Mayonnaise is not well to health. This is very healthy. Then add 1 or 2 cheese slices. That is your wish. I am using here 1 cheese slice only for a burger. Add salad, tomatoes, sliced tomatoes and sliced onion. Then put the patty iceberg lettuce. This is homemade tomato sauce. I will upload this video on next video. Apply the tomato sauce on the top part of the bun. Then close it. Then turn as on. Now our tasty healthy homemade burger is ready. Within a minute you can do this tasty burger at home. I am going to taste this. This is very heavy. If you want to more patties in a burger, you can use two patties and two cheese slices, or one patty, two cheese slices. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for more videos, and then share, comment, like. Thank you for watching.